I'm going to do an install. Customer wants his deck lid propped. He wants that cow look. So I'm going to install this. Okay, so I got installed. The only downside is this one is all dented. Part of the steel of the body here. Unfortunately, all beat up. But got it installed, got it in position. So it's a 1/8, just so if you're wondering what size Allen to take them out. That's 1/8. And then I'm going to pull each screw out individually and put a little Loctite on it. And then crank her down, and then just test it again. Look at this, one-handed. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Coming out? Come on, come on. Work with me. There you go, got my little droplet. Sorry, I couldn't do it. You know, it's that one-handed thing. There's that guy. Let's put him back in place. Getting it in, there we go, and it gets crimps on that steel. Fight! Oh, rotation. We don't want to rotate. We gotta get back into position. Yeah. There you go. I think I'm gonna not crank on this one until I get the other one. Let's get the other one out first. And we'll come back to that one. Okay, same thing. Got the little Loctite. Is it gonna zoom? It's not gonna zoom. I think that dang standoff's too polished. Looks too pretty. The camera wants to focus on that. I know, it looks good. Focus on the screw. No? Alright. Let's go ahead and get that guy in there. Look at that, one-handed. As we cross-thread everything. No, huh? Luckily we did not. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Do I need to move that? There we go. Crank. And crank. Alright, let's not give away free Loctite. Let's take you out of there. Didn't want to give the license plate information away. There it goes. Give it all snug, yeah. You can see it. You're having it. There you go.